Hapaday Tirawami, and good evening, Commonwealth. Today is Monday, May 7th, 2012. The Office of the U.S. Trustee, a federal watchdog agency in bankruptcy proceedings, asked the court to dismiss the retirement fund's bankruptcy petition. The motion was filed over the weekend and states in part that a debtor must be a person within the definition of the law and not a governmental unit to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. After a review of the fund's structure and statutory existence, the U.S. trustee concluded that the fund is indeed a governmental unit. The trustee's motion comes on the heels of a similar request made by anonymous retirees Jane Roe and John Doe. Meanwhile, the Attorney General's office and the Commonwealth Ports Authority told KSPN they also intend to challenge the bankruptcy petition. And today, retirees Jess Taisagui and Joaquin Atzalig filed their motion to dismiss as well, joining with the Roe and Doe plaintiffs and offering additional grounds for dismissal. Their attorney, Ray Kitutu.
The retirement fund, one of them is that the retirement fund itself is admitting that it is an agency of the Commonwealth, and that's very apparent in their filings, from the voluntary petition to their first day motions, the declaration of Richard Villagomez. All admit that the retirement fund is an agency of the Commonwealth, a creature of statute, created to carry out governmental functions with respect to the government pension program that's guaranteed by the Constitution.
In addition, Kitutu says the bankruptcy filing is not authorized under the law.
First, the Board of Trustees do not have that enumerated power in the statute to declare bankruptcy on behalf of an agency of the Commonwealth. And in addition, despite the fact that they don't have that authority, that duty or responsibility, they violated the Open Government Act in the process of deciding. I guess it's not a secret that they kept this a secret all throughout until the filing of the petition on April 17. I looked at their agenda for the April 4 and April 17 meetings, and none of them mentioned anything about bankruptcy. The board voted on the issue of filing for bankruptcy in both meetings. And our law and even our Supreme Court has said that any action not in compliance with the Open Government Meetings and Records Act is null and void.
Fund Administrator Richard Villagomez did not return KSPN's calls for comment today. However, Fund Attorney Carolyn Kern did tell us this afternoon the Fund is confident the bankruptcy filing will hold up in court. The Fund's opposition to dismissal is expected to be filed within the next few weeks. The next hearing in bankruptcy court is set for June 1st.